Okay, so after some trials and tribulations, I think I finally have this down. So there's going to be two of these, obviously. One for the actual DNA recombinator to spit everything out. And then, hold on, I need a building block real quick. Use this. So this, that, no, wrong way. Okay, so I gotta place it like this. This way it'll pull from the actual oligo forge here. Then what you need is one thing like that, an oligo production machine right there, and then you'll need a tar coal processor here. So this will basically pull wood, turn it into benzosolvent, and then into oligol. So then you also need a fossil sorter to go off of need to make it go off of a whatchamacallit. So first you need to put a laboratory bench. I should probably mention that. This basically is what you use to make everything. Then you just put all the different sides on it. Get another building block down there. Actually, I'm going to move it up one because I need a fossil sorter. Green is where you want it to go to. So let's pull it over to here. Okay. Actually, no, black is where you want it to be. Sorry, black. I want it to be black, not green. So there's green. This basically means that as long as this is here, it'll push it into there. This is going to be your junk. So you want it to come down and then go out. So put it there. Boom, 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 boom. Bring it up. Over, up. So now if fossils go into there, they'll automatically be put in. Then you just want to put that there. Put an acid bath on this side because it can only pull from this block. Pull out the fossils. Then you just need a hopper. The side. There you go. Bring it up. Then you want to bring, let's see, is that, so that pulls it up into there. Do we need to bring that one up then? Bring this up. Then bring this up. You can bring it over, like so. And there's one other thing that you have to do, which is you have to bring this out. And you need another oligo pool machine, because there's two parts that need oligo, or tar processor, sorry. Wait a second, I've already got that, never mind. Let's cut that out. Where do I need benzo solvent at? I need it here. Okay, so tar coal processor can go there. So this goes up like so. Okay, there we go. Boom, boom. Then I just need this. Come up. And it can come over. Then all you need is a chest. You can do it a double chest if you want. Or you can just use regular chest. You probably will only need the single chests. So then you just need a floor here. here. Say this is the wall here. You'll need, I was going to use an oak slab, but I guess it's best if I do a birch slab. Stairs are the best because it makes it look like it's an actual block, but it isn't. So these can stick out like this, or you can move it one further back, like this. Either way, stairs don't block chests, so you won't have to worry about that. So it could be like this, and this would be your junk chest, and then this would be your DNA chest. Okay, so if I come up here, item frames, just item frame this as well. Okay, so you're going to need spruce wood, or any other wood. So wood will go here, and it'll also go here. So wood, wood. This one here goes down into the acid bath. So you're going to want this one to be your fossils. I'm going to go with Precambrian because I'm doing a Precambrian exhibit. So that goes right here, right? Yeah, that goes right there. And then the last one is your files. Hopefully this works because the last time I tried this, it messed up because I mismanaged my space. However, hopefully this will start to fill up with files once the laboratory bench is done doing its thing. Oh, did I not put... I think I put files in. It's my bad. Okay, I know I put fossils in, right? Did I not put these in? I swear I put them in. Fossils. No, now it's working. Okay, so I didn't. Let me just make sure. Yeah, I didn't. Okay, so it's going to dip them down. This is filled up with files and everything. Fossils are going to start showing up in there. It's only got one at the moment, which is funny because it just insta dropped it. However, once this is done, once it's done cleaning, it'll pull out of here. Hopefully I say, because it didn't work last time, but hopefully it will pull out of there and it'll dump all the garbage down into this hopper system here, which will drop off here. So this is like the scrap stuff like metallurgic iron, anthracite, peridotite, I don't know. And then this will actually be your DNA. So if we check this, is this starting to pick up stuff yet? It's got one. At least it should. Okay. Wonder if it's a thing where it will only put it into chests, which is kind of stupid. Okay, so it's got meteoric iron. Meteoric iron is there. Okay. And then it put those over here. Okay, so it has to be a chest, which is interesting. So I'm just going to quickly change this, face this way, and then place it. Yep, green is that way. Okay, perfect. So then, if I put a trap chest there, break that, put that there, now, if it gets fossils, it should put them here, and then put everything else there. We'll see though, because it didn't work last time. Okay, so if I give it, hold on, is it putting fossils in here again? Yes, it is. Okay. If I now take a hopper, boom, boom, boom. Now the only thing in here should be non-fossils. Okay, and if I put a non-fossil in there, it should end up here. Perfect, that actually works. Okay, so the way that it works is it only works on chests for some reason. So you have to have a chest here. That's odd. Huh, I don't know. But basically you just have to fill this up every once in a while with files, with wood, with fossils. So now all you have to do is just make like a basement or something that you want to put this in, because bubble elevators don't work in this version. This could be like a basement or just like a special thing. You could box it up so it looks nice. I thought you would have to kind of struggle to do that, but you can just use hoppers. Forgot about that part. But anyway, all you have to do is just use stairs on these, basically. So this could be like a wall. And then you just use stairs for the back part, so that it looks like a regular wall without having to hinder the chests, because chests don't work if there's a regular block above them. Boom. Bam. Just like that. You could fit this into your house, put it in a top story, and then put this in the bottom story. This is all the DNA. Boop. So, this could be floored and everything. But yeah, this is how I came about doing it. You will probably have to refill the acid down here. I don't know if there's a way to do that automatically, because I think, hold on, I could try one thing. So yeah, no, I've tried it. It doesn't work. You have to actually manually come in and sulfuric acid refill that thing, which sucks. That's right. Boom. There we go. Okay, so that's back the way it was. Put all the fossils back in. It's weird that it'll only do one. It doesn't like fill all the way up. It makes sense though, because you don't want to do too much. But yeah, this is how I built it. It works. You just have to use a trap chest here for the fossil sorter, which is, again, lame. But that's about it. Everything is being made over here. All of the scraps, like the meteoric iron. Everything is getting sorted properly. Okay, so you do have a little trapdoor here that you can go down. Get at it. I just built this really quick. Probably block this off a little better than I did, or whatever you want to do with that. But sorry for the 2010 sounding mic. I don't have a better mic at the moment. This was the best I have, but hopefully this does well enough in your world. It's sorry for the non-linear building, because I had to go back and figure out some of the blocks. I didn't want to redo this for a fourth time. Alright, have a good day, man.